Okay, guys. You saw that our spike came. Okay, our spike came. So though it wasn't a very long spike like we expected, but at least a spike. Okay, we just got another spike. We just got another spike, guys. So this is how this strategy works. It's amazing. It's a bomb and it's very reliable. So I had to share it with you guys here. Okay, it's a very nice and sweet strategy. Okay, it's a strategy for boom 1000, strictly for boom 1000. I don't recommend any other pay apart from boom 1000. Use this strategy on boom 1000 and milk the market because it's a bomb. So guys, at this moment I'm going to close this trade so that I can come back and explain to you guys how this strategy works. Okay guys, so we just close the trade. Okay, we just close the trade, guys. So now I'm going to explain to you guys how this strategy works. But first, before we start, please, I would like you to subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed to this channel before. I ask you to subscribe, share the video so other people can also learn and make money too. And don't forget to turn on your notification so you can always get new videos whenever I post them. Okay, so guys, quickly, let's start. Or at least I forget. If you've been struggling with your account and you've been losing money and you need someone to manage your account properly for you, check the description page. You see a link to my WhatsApp number. Hit me up, let's talk. Okay, and also we have a VIP group where we drop signals, and we drop profitable signals for our traders, our VIP subscribers. They make money and smile to the bank every single day. So don't forget to join us today. And also on the description page there's a link to a free WhatsApp, a free Telegram group where you can also join other traders community, and you know also learn a lot because we drop a lot of strategies, and we also drop free signals as well. So quickly, let's go into the strategy so I can tell you how this strategy works. But first of all, um I need to clear off this chart so we can do it from the start, so you can guys can follow up properly. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this. Okay, so now you can see that our chart is very plain at the moment. Okay, this strategy is basically for boom 1000, and it's for catching spikes and also scalping. Okay, it's for catching spike and also scalping. So the first one I'm going to show you guys right now is how to catch spikes. As you can see, we just got our spike before I close the trade. Okay, so now the first thing you want to do is add the indicator. You go to your indicator button and you click on main chart. The first thing you want to add here is your relative strength index. Okay, you go to relative strength index. The period is 1000. Apply to close. Style is 2 pixel. You leave it white because I just need the levels alone to show. So the levels here will be level 90, 10, and level 80. Okay, I'll explain to you why we have all these levels. And after that, you click on done, and you go back to your chart. This is how your chart will look like. Now you go back to your indicator button, you click, you go to indicator window 1, you click, and you add your moving average. Okay, you add your moving average. You add your moving average. Okay, so now the first moving average we have here, we have the period of 1, shift 0, method exponential, will take close, and style is 2 pixel. You can use any color of your choice, but make sure it's a more visible color. Okay, and after that you click on done. Okay, you go back to your indicator window 1, you add another moving average. We're going to use 10 moving averages here. Okay, and the second one will have a period of 2. Okay, every other thing will be the same, and you click on done. Then you add another moving average. This time around it has a period of 3. Click on done. You add another one, period of 4. You add another one. Period of 5. You add another one. Period of 6. Remember, the more moving average you had, you just had to change the number to the next number. So from now we go to 7, and every other thing will be the same. Okay, you click on done. Let me say from 5 you can change the colors. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. From 5 you can change the color, maybe to blue or something. Okay, then the 6, change the color to blue. Then you add another one, that will be 7. You add another one, that will be 8. Then you add another one, that will be 9. You add the last one, which will be 10. That's all for now. Then you go back to your chart, and this is how your chart would look like. Please, after adding this indicators, okay, don't touch anything on your chart. Don't zoom in or don't zoom out. Just use the default zoom level that is there. Don't zoom in, don't zoom out. Just use the default zooming that is there. So now, after you might have finished doing this, okay, what do you want to do next? It's knowing when to sell or when to buy. But since we are catching spikes, we are not scalping, we are going to buy because we are expecting to catch a spike. So like I always say, whenever you want to trade, be it scalping, be it catching spikes, or be it volatility or any other play on the forex market, you always have to understand price action. Okay, you don't just rush into the market and start buying just because you want to buy, or start selling because you want to sell. So now, before you start buying, if you want to buy, you have to make sure that the market favors your direction, which is an uptrend, because you want to buy when the market is an uptrend market, you're looking for buying opportunities, and it will always turn out well for you if you follow the trend correctly. So now, since we want to buy, we have to make sure that the market is an uptrend. So how do you know a market is an uptrend? You go to higher. I've explained this several times on my other videos, so you can check them out, how to know when a market is an uptrend or a downtrend. So you go to a higher time frame, like maybe a daily time frame, you use it to analyze your market to see if it's a downtrend or an uptrend. So if it's an uptrend, that means that it's okay for you to buy this particular market. So now you have to come back to your 1 minute time frame, because this is where you will be making your entry. So coming back to your 1 minute time frame, the first thing you want to look out for, it's you're expecting to see your indicator on indicator window 1 touching the level 10. Okay, you have to wait for the indicator to touch this level 10 here. The moment you find your indicator on your indicator window 1 reaching the level 10, what you want to do is you open positions and you start buying. And when you open your position, you wait for 10 minutes, okay, for safety purpose, for you not to lose much money. Because I won't lie to you, no strategy is 100% that whenever you do it, it has to come out the way you want it to go. But a good strategy will always turn out well for you 90% of the time. So that 10% that it doesn't go well, for you not to lose much money, just hold on for 10 minutes. That's 10 candlesticks, because each candlesticks here takes 1 minute to finish forming. So after 10 minutes, after opening your positions to buy, if you don't see a spike, you close. Then you wait for the condition to be in place again, which is waiting for this indicator to touch the level. It might take time. That's why in forex you have to be patient, so that you won't rush into a trade and make mistakes, then lose money which you regret later. So you have to be patient and wait for the perfect time. That's why we always have what we call a place of interest, because this level 10 is a place of interest. We are waiting for the indicator to touch level 10, and when the indicator does that, we open our positions and we buy. And after buying, we expect a spike. And what happened, I just saw before I closed up my trade, you saw that we took a trade here which there was a spike, and that was after like a full candlestick. If you go back to the beginning and see how the trade went, it was after the full candlestick. But if I had stayed till the 10th candlestick and there was no spike, I would have closed and wait for the condition to be in place. So the condition is when you see your indicator or indicator window 1 on level 10 here, you open your positions and you start, buying. The reason we have the level 90 here and the level 80 here is for scalping, which I'll do in my next video. Okay, that's the level here for scalping. So for catching spike, the level 10 here is what you want. But once you find your indicator on the level 10, you buy and expect a spike, and after 10 minutes, if there's no spike, you close the trade and wait for it to get to that area again. So let's just backtest and show you how this works. Okay, as you can see, the same thing happened here. We had our indicator on the level 10 and there was a spike, and this spike was massive. So imagine using maybe a very good lot size. You can imagine how much you can make just with this single spike. But it's not advisable to always load your account when you have a little money on your account. So always apply risk management whenever you're trading. And you can go back and you see the same thing keep happening here. It got to level 10 and there was a spike here. As you can see, we had a big spike here too, and you go back here, you see the same thing happening here. The indicator on level 10 and there was a massive spike here. So guys, this strategy is working perfectly fine. It's one of a kind. It's one I'll encourage you guys to use anytime, any day. It doesn't disappoint. Okay, it works perfectly fine. I always share the best strategy for you guys, so you guys can always make money, because we all came here to make money. So guys, don't forget to like the video, please, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the only way you can tell us thank you for always bringing out this free idea to you guys. So subscribe to the channel, share the video, and also like the video, and don't forget to turn on notification to always get new videos whenever I post online. So guys, don't forget, we do account management. We have a mentorship program running at the moment with the price being slashed down. And also hit me up, check on the description page, you will see a link to my WhatsApp or Telegram. If you see a Telegram link, click and join our free Telegram group, which you will see what's happening on the VIP, and we also drop free signals as well. So guys, don't forget to hit us up. Let's talk business and make money here together. Thank you guys for watching the video. See you some other time. Bye.